Another example. So now we have 6 states and 3 final states. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So we have 6 rows and 6 columns. And again, the lower part of the table will be used for our solution. So that will be step 1. Step 2, mark the pairs which have final and non-final state, which are CA, BC, DA, DB, EA, EB, CF, CD, and EF. Okay, so we have 9 cells marked by this type of pairing, non-final and final state. So now let's proceed with step 3. Probably we could mark more cells. So let's start with BA. Okay, so let's start with BA. So in BA, if it's 0, it will go, B will go to A, okay, and A will go to B. So BA is not marked. And if it's 1, it will go to D, and it will go to C. So we have CD. CD is not marked, so we're not going to do anything with this cell. So let's proceed with CD. So CD, if it's 1, it will go to F. Okay. If it's 0, it will go to E. Okay. So again, 1, both will go to F. F is not. Okay. It's not marked. If it's 0, it will go to both E. So E is not marked. So therefore, CD will not be marked. Now let's proceed with EC. So EC, if it's 0, it will just go to E on both state. So E is not marked. Okay, if it's 1, so it will go to F for both state. F again is not marked, so therefore CE combination will not be marked. How about DE? So DE, if it's 0, it will just go to E on both states. So E is not marked, so we're not going to mark it. And for 1, DE, okay, it will go to F for both state. FF is not marked, so therefore DE it will also not be marked. But for FA, A will go to B. If it's F, it will go to F. AF is not marked. BF is not marked, rather. Okay, so let's proceed with 1. 1, if A will go to C, on F, it will just go to F. FC is marked. FC is marked, so therefore FA will also be marked. Okay, and then let's proceed with BF. B, if it's 0, it will go to A. F will also be, will just loop with itself. So we have AF, which is already been marked. So therefore, BF will also be marked. Okay. So if we're going to check the other cells, okay, probably we could mark it again. Okay, so let's go back to BA. So BA, so if it's 0, it will just go to B and A. B and A are not marked. It's not marked. Okay, if it's 1, it will go to D and it will go to C. CD. Okay, still not marked. Okay, so therefore and the rest cannot be marked. So therefore, we have 4 unmarked cell. Okay, so this will be the grouping, only F, wherein all related cell on it are marked. So therefore, F is separated. We'll have a one group rather. Okay, so we have A, B, C, D, C, E, and D, E. And since these three cells are adjacent, we could group it, okay, as one group. Okay, so the result will be A, B, C, D, E, and F. And A, B will be our initial state, C, D, E will be our final state, and F is still the trap state. Okay, so this will now be our, okay, our new automaton, simplified DFA. Okay, so if it's A, in AB, it will just loop within itself. If it's 1, it will go to CDE. If it's 0, it will loop within itself. It's 1, go to F, and any value in F will just loop within itself. Okay?